Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a vision board in Notion. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. Give it a clear title like My Vision Board to keep things organized. You can start with a blank canvas or explore Notion's templates for inspiration. Don't forget to add a beautiful cover image and a fun icon to make your board uniquely yours right from the start. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now, let's define what truly matters to you. Think about the major areas of your life, such as career aspirations, health and wellness, personal growth, or relationships. Create dedicated sections for each of these categories within your Notion page. You can use simple headings or even linked databases for more complex goal tracking. Visually separating these areas helps maintain clarity and focus on your diverse objectives. This is where your vision board truly comes alive. Start by embedding powerful images, inspiring GIF, or short videos that vividly represent your aspirations. For instance, a picture of a dream home or a healthy meal. Alongside these visuals, write clear affirmations and detailed descriptions for each goal. You can also link to external resources, like articles or online courses, that support your journey. Make it rich with content that motivates you daily. Keeping your vision board organized is key to its effectiveness. Arrange your images, text, and links in a way that makes sense to you, perhaps by priority or timeline. Make it a habit to revisit your board at least once a week, or even daily, to keep your goals top of mind. As you achieve milestones, celebrate those small wins and don't hesitate to adjust or add new goals. Your vision board is a living document, evolving with you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.